Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to import contact from email. So if you want to import your contact to your email, here is how you can get it done. So the first thing you have to do is open up your settings, then scroll down to app where you can get contact. This is the contact app here, contact. Then once you do that, then you tap on this option which is default account, tap on it. Then you make sure that you select the default account from Gmail, which is supposed to be Gmail. Actually my contacts are from iCloud, so I just have to check the iCloud. Or if yours is on email, just enable the email option. Once you enable it, then go back to your mail app on your settings. Once it go okay, from there tap on account. Then if your mail or your Gmail is not logged into your account, just try and add an account from here. You can see add an account. My account is logged in. Then make sure you toggle on this part which is contact. Toggle on this contact, toggle it on, then that's it. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.